So as the Chief Executive for Brass for Africa, a charity, an organization that uses the power of music to influence social transformation, we understand that in our society sometimes and some elements do not understand music, and music, it can often be seen as a distraction. But what we are saying is that when applied properly, it actually has immense positive effects, and that is what we are doing. We are applying the power of music in a positive way, in a way that accelerates learning, in a way that helps children with disability to cope, in a way that helps with rehabilitation. And therefore, our programs are in the Bidibidi refugee settlement. We are hoping to expand into other settlements. We are all over Kampala. We are in Kalangala Island. And I just want to challenge parents and the society. If this opportunity comes around you, allow children to participate. You know, do not be blinded by a few things that might have gone wrong. We are doing it right, and children are excelling, and children are fulfilling their potential. So thank you. Okay. Hello. Okay. My name is Andrew Agassi, the Executive Director at Brass for Africa. Today we are crowning a big challenge that has seen me riding my bike covering 958 kilometers, and this is part of the 2025 Race for Equality campaign, going by the theme Accelerate Action. And as an organization that champions the rights of children, and especially the girl child, we have many girls and young women who we work with. And therefore we are very cognizant and very aware of the challenges that girls still face. We understand that even though all children are the same, boys and girls, we know that if a girl does not have sanitary towels, or they have challenges, usually they lag behind. And so Race for Equality is aimed at creating an awareness. And this year we were saying, if we have a chance to do something, then we should do it now by accelerating action. No need to delay what we need to do to allow girls achieve their full potential. And so today we are completing a grueling 600-kilometer race from Yumbe in northern Uganda, going through the Bidibidi refugee settlement, because we have programs there. We are reaching out to over 2,000 girls in that refugee settlement. We had wonderful music from the children. And then we meandered our way through the magnificent Murchison Falls National Park, you know, got to see elephants. We couldn't take a selfie. And then we finally are here at Brass for Africa, joined by hundreds of children who are beneficiaries, but also joined by partners and also government officials to just come and celebrate this incredible feat that we've been able